नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप ऑल आर फाइन, हैप्पी इन हाउस एंड स्टडिंग प्रॉपर. गुड. Last classes we have completed lesson 2, Hakku, बुद्धिमान Hakku. Okay, do you remember Hakku story? There was a Hakku frog and a Rakku is a crow. Okay, so बुद्धिमान Hakku. Lesson 2 story has finished. We have finished our exercises also. Now we will start lesson 3. Okay, lesson 3 you can open in your book page number 14. Okay children, this is also a very good story. I will read for you and I will translate in English also, so you can understand nicely. Okay, so listen carefully, keep your finger on your book and read. Okay, कहिए, क ह पे छोटी की मात्रा ही एंड ए, कहिए. कहिए मीन्स टेल. कहिए मीन्स टेल. मूर्ख राज, मामा पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा मू, ख एंड ऑन ख यू कैन सी टॉप वन राउंड इज देयर, दैट इज हाफ र. व्हाट इज दैट? हाफ र. हाफ र pronunciation it will come before the letter, but when we are writing it will come next to the letter. So see, murkh, mu, half ra and kha in pronunciation is coming, but that ra is on kha letter. So murkh, ra pe aake matra ra and ja, raj. kahiye murkh raj. kahiye means tell. Murkh raj means fool. Murkh Raj means fool, who don't have, means not intelligent, unintelligent person. Okay, unintelligent person. Otherwise you can say who don't have good manner, where to talk, how to talk. That is also come in a Murkh Raj. Murkh Raj means unintelligent person. So kahiye Murkh Raj, tell unintelligent people, or tell me fool. That is the story name. Okay, I'll start to read. You look at in your book or look at on screen who don't have the book. ba पे आ की मात्रा बा, द, शा, हा. बड़ा सा is there, so pronunciation will be sha. बादशाह. बादशाह, अ, क, ब, र, अकबर. अपने, अ, प, न पे की मात्रा ने, अपने. समय, समय. के, क पे की मात्रा के, म, हा, न, महान. शासक, श पे आ की मात्रा सा, छोटा सा एंड क, शासक. थ पे की मात्रा थे, शासक थे. बादशाह अकबर अपने समय के महान शासक थे. उ, न, के, उनके. द, र, बा, र, दरबार के. न, व, र, हफ्ता. न पे ओ की मात्रा नो, नवरत्नों में. ब पे बड़ी की मात्रा बी, र, ब, ल, बीरबल. भी, एक. र, हफ्ता, न, रत्न. था पे की मात्रा थे, रत्न थे. सो बादशाह अकबर, एम्परर अकबर. अकबर was a king. Okay, he was a Muslim king, so we will say him Badshah instead of Raja. So Badshah Akbar, he was a great emperor on his time. In his palace there are 9 intelligent people. Okay, he is having 9 very intelligent and very good quality people, who is unique people. They are very good people. In that 9 people, one person was there. His name is Birbal. Birbal also, there is one person in that 9 gems, and that 9 people is known as a gems. Gems means stone, precious stones. सो उनके दरबार के 9 रत्नों में बीरबल भी एक रत्न थे. इन दैट 9 gems, बीरबल was also one gem. Now second paragraph. बीरबल बहुत हंसमुख और हाजिर जवाब थे. That बीरबल, he was very happy person, smiling person, and quick answer he gave. He gave anything, quick reply he will give. Okay, that is called hazir jawab. Just you ask the question without thinking, correct reply he will give it to you. वे बादशाह की हर छोटी बड़ी समस्या को हंसते हुए सुलझा देते थे. That बादशाह अकबर was there ना. Whatever problem he is having, big problem, small problem, just in a quick smiling very easily he will shut out that problem. Okay. बादशाह भी उनसे बहुत खुश थे. Emperor was also very happy with बीरबल. एक दिन बादशाह अकबर बीरबल के साथ बैठे हुए किसी दरबारी समस्या, स म हाफ स य पे आ की मात्रा या, समस्या पर विचार कर रहे थे. वन डे बादशाह अकबर and बीरबल was sitting together and in his kingdom some problem was there, both are discussing together. तभी एक मंत्री वहां आकर बीच में ही अपनी बात कहने लगा. Suddenly one another minister has come and he start to talk with both people. बीरबल ने हंसकर कहा. बीरबल he smiled and told, मूर्खराज आइए. मूर्खराज आइए. बीरबल smiling and saying, like someone will come na in front of a house or someone is talking, so you'll say na, come sit. So same he told, मूर्खराज आइए. मूर्खराज means in the story fool. आइए means come. Come fool. So if someone will say you fool, it will be very bad na. So that person also feel very bad. Why he is saying me fool? Because he was also a minister. मंत्री नाराज होकर बीरबल की ओर देखने लगे. That minister become very angry and he start to stare बीरबल. He just in anger, he is looking to बीरबल. अकबर को भी बीरबल का मंत्री को मूर्खराज कहना अच्छा नहीं लगा. As Akbar was also sitting there and Birbal told him that another minister, आइए मूर्खराज means come fool. That as Akbar was a king, he don't like why Birbal is saying him like that. Okay, he don't like why Birbal is saying like that. So when Birbal told that minister, आइए मूर्खराज come fool, Akbar also, who was the king, he don't like his Birbal talking way, because वे ऊंचे पद वाले मंत्री तो थे ही, साथ ही बहुत विद्वान और समझदार भी थे. Because that person who has come and interrupt and talk with them, na, he was also is having a high place in that cabinet, in that king place. He was also is a big minister, and with that he was very intelligent. Okay, that minister was also very intelligent. Okay, थोड़ी देर में, after some time, मंत्री भी अपनी बात कहकर चले गए. That person, that minister who has come to say something, he told something and he went back. उनके जाने के बाद बादशाह ने बीरबल से पूछा, when that minister has gone back after saying that ना, after that बादशाह अकबर asked to बीरबल, बीरबल तुमने इतने बुद्धिमान मंत्री को मूर्ख राज कैसे कह दिया? He asked to बीरबल, बीरबल तुमने इतने बुद्धिमान, this much intelligent minister, how you told fool? Okay, so Badshah Akbar asked to Birbal, why did you say him fool? He is a very intelligent minister in our cabinet. बीरबल ने कहा, बीरबल told, हुजूर, my honor, king, मनुष्य 4 बातों से मूर्ख कहलाता है. A person with 4 things he will known as a fool. Okay, if any intelligent people also is having a 4 quality, they comes as a fool, they known as a fool. What is the first one? दो आदमी जब अकेले बात कर रहे हों, when 2 people are talking, sitting alone and talking, और तीसरा वहाँ बिन बुलाए चला जाए तो वह मूर्ख होता है. When 2 people are sitting alone and talking and third person going there without calling or without invitation and start to talk, that person also known as a fool. Okay children? So if 2 people are sitting alone and talking, don't go there and interrupt them. Okay, so because this is a bad manner. Second one, जब किन्हीं 2 आदमियों की बात पूरी हुए बिना कोई बीच में बोल उठे तो वह भी मूर्ख होता है. What is the second thing? When 2 people are talking, okay, and their talk is not finished, suddenly you start to talk between them, that person also come in a full category. Okay, so when 2 people are talking, we should not interrupt them. This is also a bad manner. Third one, कहने वाले की पूरी बात सुने बिना बीच में बोलने वाला व्यक्ति भी मूर्ख कहलाता है. So when someone is saying to you without listening them, you are keeping your point. Someone is saying anything to you, you are not listening them first and you are giving your point, you are saying your thing, that also comes in a bad manner, and this type of behavior also comes in a fool's category. Fourth one, जो मूर्ख की संगति करे वह भी मूर्ख है. So that person who sit are doing friendship with this kind of people, okay, people who is having all these 3 quality, bad quality, if you are having a friendship with that kind of people, you are also coming in a that category also. Okay, you will come also that category, or you also known as a fool. So what is in this story, what 4 things they are saying? When 2 people are sitting together and talking, we should not go there and listen to their talk. Second one, when 2 people are talking and without finishing their talk, you start to talk them, that is also bad manner. And third one, without listening to, without finishing someone is saying their talk, you start to say your things, your opinion, that is also a bad manner. And the person who is having all 3 qualities, and if you are sitting with them, you are talking with them, they are your friend, you will come also in a same category. Okay children, so बीरबल की ये चारों बातें सुनकर बादशाह अकबर समझ गए कि बीरबल ने मंत्री को मूर्ख राज क्यों कहा था. आफ्टर लिसनिंग दिस ऑल फोर क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ पर्सन, Akbar means who was the king, he understand why Birbal told that minister Murkh Raj. Okay, why Birbal told that minister Murkh Raj? Because Birbal was talking with king, sitting alone and talking. So means something serious, some important thing he is discussing. Without taking permission, direct he has come and he start to talk. So Birbal told him, Murkh Raj, fool. So now you understand, when two people are talking, we should not interrupt them. When someone is sitting alone without listening to others, we should not keep our point. And if someone is talking, we should wait. Let them finish their talk. Then you say, so when we are teaching in class, what I will say to you people, whoever want to talk, just raise your hand, because when teacher is teaching something and you will also start to talk, you will start to ask the question, that time everything will get disturbed, class will be disturbed, teacher will be disturbed. Okay, so teacher will say, when you are having any doubt, raise your hand. Okay children, so now you understand. Good. So what is the moral of the story? तहजीब होना बहुत जरूरी है. Manners are very important. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. Manners are very important. If you are very intelligent, you are getting a very good mark, but you don't know how to behave, this is not good. Okay, with good marks we should know also how to talk, how to behave. So always we should be a good manner. Okay children. Okay children, so we have finished our story. Lesson 3, कहिए मूर्ख राज. Tell fool. Okay, tell fool. Now we will go for word meaning. This lesson, word meaning. Look at the screen, otherwise open the book, page number 16. From top to down, one by one I will teach you. And pronounce with me. And this also will be your homework. You have to write word meaning. Okay children, so shall we start? First one, माँ, ह पे आ की मात्रा हा, न, महान. महान means great. G-R-E-A-T, great. Great means महान. Second one, शासक. श पे आ की मात्रा शा, स, क, शासक. शासक means emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. Emperor means शासक or बादशाह, राजा. Okay, so शासक is there, बादशाह, Akbar. Otherwise we will say राजा, king. Third one, न, व, र, hafta and na. Navratna. Navratna means 9 jewels. 9 jewels are 9 gems. Fourth one, हाजिर जवाब. हाजिर जवाब. हाजिर जवाब means ready witted or quick replier. Okay, people who give quick answer are here R-E-A-D-Y, ready. W-I-T-T-E-D, witted. Ready witted. Fifth one, sa, ma, half sa, ya, ये पे आ की मात्रा या. समस्या. First, fifth one, समस्या. समस्या means problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. Problem means समस्या. Sixth one, स पे छोटा ओ की मात्रा सु, ल, झा पे आ की मात्रा झा, ना, सुलझाना. सुलझाना means to solve. To solve. T-O-2-S-O-L-V-E, solve. सुलझाना means to solve. Math question will be there. You will solve the question na? Same thing. सुलझाना means shut out the problem. Next one, मूर्ख राज, that is a lesson name. मूर्ख राज means silly. मूर्ख राज means silly. SILLY, silly. मंत्री, माम पे अंक की मात्रा मन, त्र एंड त्र पे बड़ी की मात्रा त्री. मंत्री, मंत्री means minister. Next one, ha and top chandra bindu is there, so it's become ha sa mu kha. Hasmukh, hasmukh means cheerful. Hasmukh means cheerful, who is very happy with face, smiling face. CHEERFUL, cheerful. Cheerful means hasmukh are pleasant. Next, we have the va-na, vidwan. Vidwan means intelligent. Vidwan means intelligent. Otherwise here in your book it's written there learned, LEARNED, learned. Okay. हुजूर, ह पे छोटा की मात्रा हु, ज पे बड़ा की मात्रा जू एंड र. हुजूर, हुजूर means sir. हुजूर means sir. half b, next one, half b, w, य, half क, त एंड छोटी की मात्रा व्यक्ति. व्यक्ति, व्यक्ति means individual. व्यक्ति means individual or per person. Per person, okay, one person. व्यक्ति means individual or one person. So one more round we will read. महान, महान means great. शासक, emperor. नवरत्न, 9 jewels. हाजिर जवाब, ready witted. समस्या, प्रॉब्लम. सुलझाना, टू सॉल्व. मूर्खराज, सिली. मंत्री, मिनिस्टर. हंसमुख, चीयरफुल. विद्वान, लॉर्न. हुजूर, सर. व्यक्ति, इंडिविजुअल और per person. Okay children, so this word meaning you have to write as a your assignment. Write neat and clean in your classwork. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.